All right, so just a quick video for you today before trying to watch this before class on Tuesday. Hopefully you're watching it on Monday. This logo project has got my timeline confusing. But anyway, logo project will be ongoing. I've already submitted the revisions and then we wait. In the meantime, we're going to keep going with our packaging system. You guys have a lot of good ideas. You've done a lot of research, and we're going to talk about it in class Tuesday. We're going to go through all of your research and links together. We're going to look at it. We're going to critique it. We're going to say, hey, this is a good idea, or hey, this is a bad idea, or hey, I want to steal your idea and you can steal my idea and stuff like that. So, and we're also going to talk a little bit about slogans. I do want you to come up with a slogan for your product. If it's a real existing product, I want you to come up with a new slogan. You're going to come up with a new branding anyway. I was surprised when I started working in the industry, how quickly I was expected to come up with slogans and headlines and taglines and things like that. I didn't really think that was going to be something that I was supposed to do right out of the gate. But it was, and you get better at it. So the more practice, just like anything, the more practice you have at something, the better you're going to get. So we're going to start practicing stuff like that, brainstorming. We used to sit down at the last agency I worked in, and somebody'd walk in with a new client, and they would just say, "Hey, I need a slogan for this this new cleaning product or these new compression socks. Go." And we'd all just kind of sit there and keep on working what we're working on. But as our brains came up with ideas, we just shout them out. Whoever was in charge of that account was writing stuff down as we were shouting them out, maybe, hopefully, or they asked us to email our ideas or something like that. So it was sometimes really informal. But yeah, just see what else we got. We're going to critique feedback. We're going to try to help each other with our packaging ideas and all our packaging and the technical aspects of it. Just remember, your ideas can still change. We're still real early in the process. Nothing is set in stone. We can still change ideas, completely change products. As you see other people's ideas, that might trigger something in your brain to make you want to do something else or something different or whatever. So just be prepared for that. Don't get too married to one particular direction, because I'm going to have feedback, your colleagues here in class are going to have feedback, and I want you guys to be able to be ready for that. I assume that you've had classroom critiques before. This is kind of the same idea, even though you haven't actually created any original work yet. It's important to be able to listen to feedback, to process what people are saying, and then to use your best judgment about what to do with that feedback. One of the most difficult things for people to do is to listen without trying to defend themselves or without trying to make excuses or give reasons for doing something. What I want you to do when other people are speaking about your research or your photos or your ideas, I want you to sit and listen. And then when people are done giving you feedback, then we can have a discussion. So The important thing is to pause and just listen. Take everything in, process it. And it might be all bad advice. You never know. It's happened before. So, but that doesn't mean you should not listen to it. Just let it happen. If it's bad, don't take the advice. If I think it's bad advice, I'll tell you, don't take that advice. Or if I think it's good, I'll tell you that's a really good idea. But the important thing is to give people a chance to exercise and express and talk about what you're doing, what they're doing, and I'll give you guys a chance to talk about what you're doing too. So that's the important thing. I hope you had a great weekend. I don't know when we're going to hear back about the logos, so let's focus on packaging right now. And I can't wait to see the research and different ideas and stuff that you guys came up with. All right. See you bright and early Tuesday. Bright and early at 1? Is it 1? Yeah, I think it's 1 p.m. All right.